Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, you are going to watch how did I transform a guava tree trunk into a tea table. Here on the screen you can see it. It is made of rod and glass only. Look at the design carefully. To know the whole process, please keep watching the whole video. Now take a close look how it is made of. Look at the screw in the middle. And look at the design made with rod. That's the trunk. I colored it. Very firm. Above one is 10 mm glass, that means 10 mm. And the down one, which is 5 mm thickness. The edges are joined smoothly and with the glass glue attached together. You can see the glass joining glue in here. It is completely a round design. The upper one is tempered glass, so you can put some heavy weights and it will not break as well. This is the previous condition of the guava tree. A fully matured tree. Now the transformation of the trunk into a tea table. See the drone view. It has a vivid color and it feels great to have a cup of tea in here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care and it's goodbye.